So this is what I have put in this prompt. So I have already added the fields on the table. If I come back, see the table structure, I just added because these all are the missing fields. Now keep all these optional as well. Email and phone should be unique, and I have given here add these option at the time of adding users. Okay. So I forgot to add here the update as well. So the first thing, the benefit of working with the anti-gravity is it will also give you the plan first. Then you'll have the option here. You can go through the plan once. Then you will be able to. It will be asking you to approve the plan. Okay. So in case you see anything challenging, like keep the similar thing at the time of update. So update field combined with the logic possible. Yes. So also add. Also make sure this work will both add or update user. Okay, so something like that you can give the prompt, and the once it asks you to look around the implementation plan, you can modify with your own message, and then it will be giving you the modified plan implementation plan as well. And of course, again, it will be asking you to proceed on the plan. So once you review that one, you can go next. Okay, so whatever the message you put, so that means I am giving the go ahead, and you see it started working on that. So you also find the task, this one, and this all the thing will be modified. Okay, so at the end you can see the plan. So it will not be doing the modification until unless you accept all. So I will have to accept all these. So once I accept, I can see the changes over here in my interface part. Okay, so if I come back and see on my all this, so this is what I have as of now. So this is the form. I come to see let's start management, add users. Earlier I don't have much field here, and if I come to see live, you see I only had the name, username, and address. Sorry, role. And now after the prompt I have given here, I can see it is adding lots of things as per my command. If I refresh here, I can see those changes. So the login credential, the email, username, password, and the role, and the contact info it has added. So I give the prompt that I want all the things optional. So you see here, this is how it will be working. So you can test it out, and in case anything is wrong, you see it's a deprecated. So again, use any challenges you see, you can push here. So I'll be expecting all the changes. Okay, so you'll have to do the manual testing, and once you done with the testing, you'll have to pass whichever the issue you get here. You'll have to put here so that it gets corrected with the AI itself. Okay, so this is the whole process. First, you'll have to think what actually you have to do, and of course that you will have to plan, and how the things is going to be done. You'll have to plan on that part, and based on that, you can write your the prompt, and prompt should be very descriptive so that the AI doesn't miss any of your point. Okay, so this is how now you see sometimes you'll find it is doing things in the loops. So I had issue on this particular user control. Now you see it is touching all almost all the thing, all the models. So sometimes you'll find the you might have been able to do the similar simple job in just 5 minutes manually, and AI taking too much time, and it is killing your the tokens. Yeah, so this is how you can go with anti-gravity, and you can see the changes. And the best thing, whenever you do, you'll find here very quickly the response is coming. and the fixes you will have any. Now you see, if I refresh, I can, that issue disappears from here. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to develop any of the application once you'll have the idea around the front end, back end, the coding language, and the database, and the basic grasp on the how to write a prompt, and some of the AI tools will have the knowledge around. Then it's really good to have to go with the AI tools. So it is going to save you lots of time during the development process. Okay, so this is all from this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.